Guys, there's right now massive volatility incoming for Bitcoin, and we can see right now the Bitcoin casually pumped over 2.5% in literally the last 1 hour and then dumping another 2% just a few minutes after that. It's going crazy right now. The volatility is kicking in for Bitcoin right here, and in this video I'm showing you guys exactly why this is happening, what is currently happening, and why we can see a lot more volatility in the next couple of hours and potentially next couple of days. Because if I show you guys this chart right here, then we can just clearly see right now that Bitcoin is so close to its apex. We can see right now there are about 2 to 3 more 4-hour candles left within this symmetrical triangle, and then Bitcoin needs to decide. And we can see already that Bitcoin tried to break to the upside of this symmetrical triangle just a few minutes before this video. We can see right here that happened right here. However, we immediately got rejected by the bears again and sending us straight into the symmetrical triangle again. And this just proves how crazy active and crazy respected this symmetrical triangle is. So what is currently happening and why can we see a lot more volatility? Well, if we look at this chart right here, then we can see that we are still trading within the same range. We have right now been trading in for, if we look at it like this, we can see that we have been trading in this range for now over 8 days after that massive move. And we have basically not been doing much at all. We have not been moving any big moves at all. However, that is, like I just said, about to be changed really quickly, because literally in less than 3 hours, we can see in about 3 hours and 22 minutes at, I think it is 7 p.m. UTC or 8 p.m. UTC, we are literally going to see the FOMC meeting, of course, which is always a really volatile news event. And we can see right now that we are getting a 98% chance of a no rate hike and a 1.9% chance of a rate hike. However, I still think that this FOMC could potentially decide if we're going to break to the upside or the downside of this symmetrical triangle, and that's just going to cause one gigantic move, and that will basically change the direction of Bitcoin for the next couple of weeks till we get to our next big area of support or resistance. And if you're wondering what our next area of support or resistance is going to be, it's really easy. If we break to the downside of the symmetrical triangle, then our first target is this support area right here at 31 to around $32,000. And if we break to the upside of the symmetrical triangle, then our first target is between $36K and $38,000. Meaning that literally in less than 16 hours, we are going to see one gigantic freaking move for Bitcoin. It's going to be crazy, and we are just straight up going to either 31K really soon or 36 to 38K, meaning that these are really big jumps for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin has to move like crazy in order to get there. And that's why I think we are ready for some crazy fireworks in the next couple of days, or next couple of days, literally in the next couple of hours. It's going to be absolutely crazy, so you need to stay up to date about everything. If something crazy happens, I will definitely let you guys know over on my Twitter, Telegram, TikTok, maybe even I create a separate YouTube video about it if it's massive. But yes guys, massive volatility is literally around the corner, so get ready. And if you want to trade this, then that is of course going to be really easy, because what you can simply do is place a conditional order just right here. I will basically place a conditional order right here or right here, just under these wicks right here. So you're going to place a conditional order right here at $35,200 and at $33,300, meaning that if the price reaches this level, you will automatically be entered into a position and this position will be cancelled out. However, if the price comes to this level, then this position gets cancelled out and you will be entered right here. And this is a really good way to trade these symmetrical triangles, and you can literally do that over on ByBit. So you can place a conditional order simply over on ByBit. And if you right now go to the first link in the description, then you have a choice. You can either enter into a 1000 USDT airdrop giveaway, where we are right now literally giving 5 times 200 USDT completely for free, or you can choose by simply signing up using the normal ByBit link of me, where you will get up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses based on how big your deposit is. So you can either try your luck and enter into the 1000 USD airdrop giveaway, where you don't have a guaranteed price, however the price is quite big. Or you can of course just go for the guaranteed price, and then you will get up to $30,000. So yeah guys, choose whichever you want, but I would recommend going with the first one. Just try your luck and maybe you will literally get 200 USDT completely for free. So go check it out guys. That's all we have for you guys right now. We are just waiting for the CME. It's going to be massive. We're waiting for the FOMC. It's going to be absolutely crazy guys. So yeah guys, I will update you guys if anything big happens. And that being said, I hope I will see you in my next YouTube crypto video.